Kung nagbabala kang bumili ng brand new Toyota Vios pero hindi ka ma-approvean sa kasa, mayroon tayong alternative dyan. Ay gacho na naman. Kasi pag dito ako kumuha sa akin ng kotse at through financing ang gusto mo, sobrang basic lang. 1 to 2 days approval, basic requirements. Kung may CMAP, Replevin, or may history ka before na nahatakan ng sasakyan, no problem. Kaya kong gawa ng paraan yan. So this is the 2025 Toyota Vios XLE CVT exterior wise. Fresh original paint at 15 inches two-toned alloy wheels, makakapalang tires. At dito naman sa harap, halogen headlight, LED fog lamps at new face na to at 7 ang ending. At pagdating naman sa engine, it's a 1.3 liter 4-cylinder naturally aspirated dual VVTi technology CVT transmission gasoline engine. Yung engine na to sobrang basic lang i-maintain at syempre pag sinabing Vios, alam natin na sobrang fuel efficient yan at sobrang tibay. Guys, check niyo yung pintura, sobrang kintab. Ferrari. At sa pinakalikod, orig pa yung mga lens yan. May rear sensor, rear camera at sa trunk. Maluwag ang trunk space, kasya ang 3 bata. At dito sa loob, sobrang brand new feels pa. Intact na headliner, fresh fabric seats, maayos yung steering wheel, may mga controls dito. Analog and digital display with 24,000 kilometers on the clock only. Well-designed na dashboard, touchscreen infotainment system, climate control, 2 cup holders, automatic transmission with plus-minus at center console. At sa second row, nothing special pero maluwag ang leg, shoulder, and headroom, 6 flat ang height ko. Kaya pang first car, pang family, pang business, or kung ano pa man yan, pasok na pasok tong 2025 Toyota Vios XLE. Kaya kung gusto mo to, for only 695,000 pesos, mauuwi mo na to. Open to for cash, trade-in, and financing. Kaya tumawag ka na, reserve mo na tong Ferrari natin. Peace out!